Hi guys, it's your girl Yazzy B here. So I'm here doing the beautiful Beauticianchic's makeup. Now if you don't know me, I do makeup, I do fashion, I do all types of stuff. So if you want to check out my channel, please do. I do makeup, whether it be the natural look, the glamorous look, grunge look. I also do wigs, I also do fashion blogs. So please check out my channel, and if you want to subscribe, please do and check it out. And if you like this look, please comment below and thumbs up, and thank you guys, and please stay tuned. This here.
Okay, yeah. The beautiful Yazzy is gonna be doing my makeup. Did you see that skin? Her skin is popping. Yeah. So support her, subscribe to her channel. Let's support one another, guys.
Exactly.
Show her love, please. They will. So you start with the brows.
Yep, I start with the brows first.
Okay. You know I do the other way around.
Oh really?
Yeah,
you do like the foundation, then the concealer.
Yeah, and everything. So do you normally do makeup for other people?
Yes, I do like a lot of my family members.
Okay.
Yeah, and then on myself and like friends and family.
Okay. But what is your YouTube channel going to be like mainly? Is it going to be you doing on other people or on yourself?
A bit of both actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think you should do more of other people as well, because people like to see other people's transformation. You know.
On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress.
I like the green actually. Look, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
And it's something different as well, so why not?
Exactly.
I don't mind using the green.
Healing. Me, I don't want to.
One bit is really full and the other
one bit.
Yeah.
That's up my brows as well.
Yeah. So I'm trying to grow it, because I used to have really thick brows before.
Yeah.
I do like thick brows though. I don't have them, so
yeah, I can grow mine to be thick. It's nice.
So it's nice to just be pampered.
You know, feels nice, and you're very so gentle as well.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, because some people can be really hard. You can just feel them when you
like tugging away.
Yeah.
So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You will tell me on. Man,
In long, I passed through the back, you know, because I heard they're doing construction there.
I know.
They're renovating the backyard, but I haven't been passed through there. Because there's no lift there, so you use the staircase, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Did there used to be a lift?
Yeah, the main entrance have a lift. I never use the staircase.
Okay.
Maybe that.
me, I don't want to tire. So me, I like up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say
Of concealer. You get it?
Yeah.
Put it in a container and say, oh, this is eyeshadow primer. Then we'll start buying.
Just gonna add a bit of powder to set the concealed areas.
wine for me girl, she a wine for me man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on.
Oh, what palette is that?
This is Revolution Pro.
Oh wow, they've got a good palette. It looks like the beauty one.
That's what I was thinking.
Wow,
yeah.
That's nice. I didn't know they have this palettes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a nice palette.
Nowadays, there's no need to spend money on expensive stuff. Because all these newbies, they're doing well.
That's fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So put you on the product and me feeling bad.
Where's that gosh?
Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me let on the pump, put it up till the morning.
So how long have you discovered my channel?
For about, I think, 3 years.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So it's really nice to see how your channel has grown.
Wow, that's crazy. Then you've been there from day one then, like
Yeah.
like maybe from 50K?
Yeah.
Something like that. Wow.
It's just about just when you're going to get your breakers and what, you know, is finding your own niche as well.
Yeah. Because I think you should even do, like, your mom should do your makeup.
Yeah.
You don't need to show her face, just her hand.
Feeling something that give me that feeling.
It's like putting at least
2 a week at least, yeah.
It's hard to grow in the channel, the editing.
Of course,
It's crazy. And the camera I've got now is very big, like it takes a lot of memory. That's why I was saying that if anybody want to take it, they should bring this because the memory is very strong because it's a very big camera.
Oh,
so
right.
In really big files.
Oh, so that's why when you do put it on the hard drive, it takes up a lot of storage.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
So I always tell people, if you want to take it, you need to bring it bigger because it takes up a lot. It's very big and oh my God, it's expensive as well. If you notice, the quality is really like
high quality, isn't it?
Like proper HD. In this life, you know, you need to invest as well.
I know.
So do you use a camera or you still
I use a Sonic.
Okay.
Is it a Sonic? Sonic HD camera.
Okay.
That's what I use.
Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me let on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind so.
It's how I work.
The other way, right?
Yeah.
Was it easier? Was it quicker?
It depends because when I've done the foundation and then the highlight and contour, I've done it, but I've done like a natural eyeshadow, so I haven't really seen what it's like to then do that.
That's true.
Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond.
Foundation primer from Makeup Revolution.
Oh. Yeah, I've got a lot. I need to go check them out.
Yeah. They've got all new bits now.
Wow. That's just like our UK NYS.
Oh, NYX, yes. NYX, sorry.
Yeah,
yes.
they used to have a lot as well, and it's affordable. Remember back in the days?
Yes.
Like your go-to cheap alternatives, isn't it?
Yes.
So these people are just kind of doing something like that now. So it's like kind of our UK version of NYS because it's good and it's affordable. Why not?
Let me get a little brush just to glide it on. Thank you.
Is it parcel where?
In C21, I called the guy. I got
Too much.
Yeah, thank
it's not there. It's going to be there, true. I said I was not.
Not test man for him. Bad man, them really wanna test man for get that feeling. Something that give me that heat.
Look up for me. Okay. Thank you.
Healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So put chip on the product, and me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man,
So I'm going to be using this in medium.
Okay.
Concealer, and then I use a beauty blender. I'm going to sweep it out with this, and I use a beauty blender to blend it all out.
always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You will turn me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb.
For contour, do you use cream highlighter, cream contour, or just?
I use a liquid.
Okay.
And then to set it, I use the MAC Mineralizer in dark deep, so it gives it that warm sort of look.
Give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want about man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your hair.
It's really nice and soft.
Yeah, just to give like a soft glam look.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on.
I think it might be a bit deep.
You think so?
I can try it. Let me just try a little bit.
Okay.
actually, that's actually quite nice.
Yeah, because sometimes what I do, I won't use blush.
Yeah.
I just put highlight on top. So it just serves as the blush as well.
So me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire. So put you on the product, and me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You will turn me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along.
Okay, do you like using mascara at the bottom of your lashes?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay.
I do have mascara there actually. Yep.
Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl.
This you can wear anywhere.
Definitely.
Wants to be queen. The queen's gonna look like, who's that girl?
So I've put the rubbing alcohol
Yeah, that's
on it so I
fine.
can put it on lips. And this is called Persistence from MAC. So I'll see how this looks. Hello.
It's nude, but still not nude. So there's something going on. It's nice.
To fix.
Really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I
Okay. Let me just have a look at you.
Okay.
That's nice. So just need to make sure, okay, that's on. Okay.
Wow.
Just like a natural glam.
Love it. Let me show off my face. Hey.
So it's very natural. So this is the finished look. So this is a very glamorous but natural look at the same time. So if you want to see more of my videos, and comment below and obviously give your thoughts on the makeup look. And like I said, check out my channel, guys. It's yazzy.b, and subscribe to my channel. See more of my talent and more of my work. And guys, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much for coming.
You're very welcome, my darling.
Aww, I love my look, very simple and natural. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling.